What is up, guys? This is a bit of a strange one. As you can tell, I'm not quite sitting in my Acura RSX. I think I made a bad financial decision, guys, or a financial mistake. Why don't we get today's video started? What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Bodman Kev. It's been a long minute, guys, and as you can probably tell from the title of this video or the thumbnail, I have a new car, guys, and it's this Nissan 370Z Nismo. So I guess today's video is gonna be a little bit different than the usual. I guess we could call it story time. I got some explaining to do, guys. But if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already noticed the Acura RSX. I actually sold it to my homie, Tony, from T-Bull Racing, to actually pick up a Volkswagen Golf R. And somehow I ended up with this car after. Weird, right? Let me explain. Alright. So sometime last year, I actually ended up selling my Acura RSX, like you guys seen in my previous videos. I sold it to the homie, Tony, T-Bull Racing, and he needed a car to practice manual on. So I actually ended up picking up a 2012 Mark 6 Volkswagen Golf R. It was a pretty nice car. If you follow me on Instagram, you have noticed that I did not post that car. Strange, right? Yes, because I had so many problems with it. Yeah, it was a little bit of a nightmare. Follow me along. Oh, you followed me. Well, back to what I was saying. Oh, hey. Oh, hey there, you guys followed me. Back to my story. So yeah, it was a bit of a nightmare. She kept needing a lot of things. Things kept breaking down, and it got to the point where she needed a new motor. Bruh. And that kind of sucks. Anytime you need a new motor for your car. So yeah, problems kept coming up, and it just got to the point where she had to go. Had to give her the boot. So I picked this little gem up. This 2015 Nissan 370Z Nismo. And man, she's a beauty. Why don't we check her out? So this is her, guys. 2015 Nissan 370Z Nismo. She is basically stock. You guys can't tell, or maybe you can't tell from the camera. She needs a little bit of love. Her paint isn't perfect, but it's a project, right? She could use a little bit of love, detailing. Nice paint correction, a little bit of swirl marks here, but as you can see, Nismos all come with these nice special Nismo exhaust that regular base 370Zs don't get. A little bit of fading here, but that's just a sticker. I could always replace that. Previous owner kind of I guess didn't know how to drive, because all four wheels are pretty much like really curved. It's pretty messed up. Let me show you guys the inside, or actually let me pop the hood. Alright, let me show you what's underneath here. Bam. You guys can see it's a real Nismo. Sorry, I lied. She's not fully stock. She's got some aftermarket intakes. That's the only mod on her. Still in. You can see there. But yeah, she's basically a stock car. Alright guys, so now that you guys saw the engine bay, let me show you guys inside the most impractical car on the planet. So as you guys can see, we got Z scuff plates on the side here. Nice suede going on the door. And wow, look at that. We got the Nismo Recaro seats. It's got like a suede Alcantara in the middle, and then you got leather on the sides. Then you got the beautiful steering wheel here. It's kind of a half and half of suede Alcantara and leather with the red stripe at the top. Obviously guys, we got a 6-speed manual transmission. Obviously. Nismo nameplates. Navigation unit comes standard. And look at this, we got 3 useless gauges. I lied. Hold on, I mean 2 out of 3 useless gauges. Let me show you guys. Look at that. As you can see, you got an oil temp gauge, battery volt gauge, and what the hell? A clock? Who put a clock there? Who would put a clock there? Nissan. Navigation units, and your typical 3-gauge speedometer. Most people actually hate on the 370Z for this very old school analog looking tack, but I kind of like it. I kind of dig it. The gas and temp there, not so much. With all these newer cars, it's all now like digital. Now it's all like an iPad here, iPad there, and it's a little bit overwhelming. Like, is it necessary to have a screen everywhere? So as a purist, whatever you want to call it, I kind of dig the old school analog gauges. Why don't I get a sound clip for you guys to hear just how quiet she actually is. Now, you must be wondering, Kev, what's in the plans for the 370Z? Well, guys, instead of keeping it a secret, I'm gonna actually tell you what's the build for this car. And we're really gonna go for a very Porsche GT3 RS style build. I know you think I'm crazy, but I have such a huge love for Porsche. I love the 911s, I love the 718 Caymans. I have such a love for them. And this is very much like the closest thing I'll ever get to a Porsche right now. For now, it's almost gonna look like OEM Plus style build. I actually have a lot in store and planned for this car, so it's gonna be a very sick build. I'm looking forward to it. Oh, man, guys, you guys have any suggestions? Let me know. Sound off in the comments, guys, or let me know what you guys think in the comments about the car. Did I make a good choice, or should I have got something else? Should I have kept the Golf R, man? Let me know, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you can hit that subscribe button, it would really, really help me out, guys. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.